Brittany Jackson from Learning Technologies, and today I want to show you how to use tables for summarizing data in a Word document in the most accessible, friendly way as possible. So here you can see I've got a table for summarizing data. I've got this particular heading for it. You want to make sure that your heading describes exactly what's happening in there, so it's as clear as possible for a screen reader to interpret. And here you can see, in the table itself, we've got name, visual, audio, reading, kinesthetic, and then the data below that. You want to make sure that you're using headings appropriately in the table itself. Otherwise, they won't carry over and your readers may not understand or know what it's referring to, or may not realize that those are the headers. So to make them a header, you can see here I've already done so with the word name. But if I take and hold down and choose select for the word visual, and just like we did in the headings video, instructions will be very similar. So you highlight what you want, and then you come up here and click on that little A with a paintbrush like you did before. And if you click on that, you get all the styles. So here, we're going to make this a heading 2, so that it's very clear that each of these, if I hold down, hit select, and then choose that little heading style, and choose heading 2. This way it's clear which one of these is the heading versus the actual data that the table is representing. So I'm going to hit heading 2 on that one, and then I've got one more here, and I'm going to come up to that little A with the paintbrush, hit heading 2 there, and now it's very clear. These are all, if you look at them, they'll all be under the normal, which means it's like paragraph in your regular Word document, and these guys are all heading 2s to make it clear that this is the heading of the table. And again, this should actually be listed as heading 1 to really make sure that if this is what we're doing, we're capturing it appropriately. So I'm going to do this, and I'm going to put this all as heading 1, and I'm going to bold that so that it's the same as the others. So again, table for summarizing data makes us clear that this is summarizing whatever data we're talking about. You can be even more explicit. Table for summarizing data of who's a visual, audio, reading or writing, or kinesthetic learner, something along those lines. Being as clear as humanly possible is important from an accessibility standpoint as well. If you have any questions about this, feel free to reach out to Learning Technologies. We're always here to help.